Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.